When you're riding a unicycle, it doesn't go in a straight line. It actually squiggles or wiggles or snakes. The reason for this is kind of similar to a bicycle. When you push a bicycle without anybody on it, the bicycle kind of self-corrects itself. But this is assuming that the weights of the forces on each side of the wheel are equal. If you put a weight on one side of the bicycle, but not the other, it will turn to that side. This is what happens when you're riding a unicycle. When you push down on your pedal on one side, your weight is actually being redistributed on that side of the unicycle, which is causing the unicycle to turn in that direction. So the fact that additional weight is applied and the fact that it's tilting are the two things that are going to make it want to squiggle or self-correct. And that's okay because it's going to do this exact same thing on the other side when you apply force on that side. When you're learning how to ride a unicycle, it's probably going to be beneficial for you to go with a squiggle because that's the natural path that the unicycle wants to take. It actually takes a little bit more effort to keep it in an exact straight line. That's a more advanced kind of trick. So don't be afraid to use those hips, work with the snake or the squiggle or the wiggle or whatever you want to call it, and I hope this helps. Good luck.